You are welcome to Join Mathematics. This is a platform created to establish understanding in mathematics. And now we're going to start with a series of videos. And we'll be focusing on sorts. We'll look at the rules of sorts, how sorts can be converted from single form to basic sort, and we'll look at the operations of sort: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And finally, we'll wrap it up with how to solve equations involving sorts. That's what we call solid equations. So let's begin. As a way of introduction, I want to introduce you to two types of numbers. The first one is irrational numbers, and the second is the irrational numbers. Now, the irrational numbers are those numbers that can be expressed as fractions or ratios. Okay, they are able to, we can express rational numbers as fractions or ratios, while irrational numbers cannot be expressed. Okay, it cannot be written as ratios or fractions. Now let's take a look at rational numbers. Let's say 5 over 1 is a rational number, 2 over 3 is also a rational number, 7 over 3 can be a rational number. Now we can also say 5 divided by 2 is rational because they are expressed as fractions or ratios. Now, if you look at the values of pi, if you look at the values of exponential, okay, or let's say root 2. Now, if we insert pi into our calculator, we will have 3.141592654, and this number continues, right? There is a whole books that explain the values of pi. And also exponential, the value for exponential is written as 2.718281828, and it continues also. If we take a look at root 2 also, root 2 is written as 1.43562. Now this values continues to the end. And if you look at root 3 also, root 3 is written as 1.732050. Approximately, root 28 in itself can be written as 5.291505. Now these numbers are said to be irrational, okay, but irrational of this kind, okay, where we have roots, root 2, root 3, root 28. We can also have root 5. Okay, root 5 in itself is 2.23606797, and the number continues. So this that have the square root sign, okay, all the numbers that have the square root sign, root 2, root 3, root 28, and root 5 are said to be sorts. Okay, are said to be sorts. So we'll be focusing more on values of irrational numbers that have roots, the square root sign. So in our next video, we'll be taking a look at the rules of sorts. Okay, just like we did in indices and in logarithm. What are the rules that govern the operations of sorts?